In this video, we will learn about the magic square of 4. As already discussed about magic square of 3, we can easily understand that the number of rows and number of columns in case of magic square of 4 will be 4, okay? So we have 4 number of rows and 4 number of columns. So to create the magic square of 4, we have to understand, or we have to remember that the sum, final sum or key value, whatever we say it, it will be 34. So 34 will be the sum for each row or each column or diagonal wise. Now, to create the magic square of 4, at first what we do, very simple, just put the number from 1 all the way to 16 gradually from left to right, like this: 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. All right. The next step we need to do, we need to swap the two diagonals of these table, okay? So what do I mean by that? Let me explain, it will be much clear. I want to swap the values of the diagonals. Yeah. So what we want to do here, we have two diagonals here. If I mark, this is our diagonal, 1, 6, 11, and 16. Control. Okay, let me use another color here. So let me use red. So these are the elements of a diagonal, okay? On 6, 11, and 16. 1, 6, 11, and 16. So what we want to do, we just write these values in the reverse order. So this 1, 6, 11, 16 will be in the reverse order. Like the way it was previously, it will be just in the reverse order. So we do like this: 16 at first now, then 11, then 6, and then 1. We have just reversed this diagonal, okay? From the starting to beginning, from the starting to end, we have started from the end to the starting. 1 to 16 was the formation here, 16 to 1 is the formation here. Okay, now we find another diagonal in the given table, and that diagonal is this. This is another diagonal, okay? This is another diagonal, the green marked one. So the values of this diagonal will be also changed in reverse way. So 13, 10, 7, 4, they will be in the reverse order. Like this time 4 will be here, then 7 will be here, then 10 will be here, and 13 will be here. Now, if we see what's happening here, we will see an interesting thing. Now, if we sum the elements of the first row, it is 16 plus 2, 18 plus 3, 21 plus 13, it is 34, okay? Then 5 plus 11, 16 plus 10, 26 plus 8 equal to 34. Then also this one will make 34, this one will make 34. If you go column wise, then this is 34. If you take the sum, this is 34, this is 34, this is 34. If you even take diagonal wise, that will be also 34. If you take this diagonal wise, that will be also 34. That is why it is called the magic square of 4. Now, some important points to remember. In case of magic square of 4, there is no single number in the box or in the table which is greater than 16 or less than 1. So every numbers in the cell must be from 1 to 16 in case of square number of magic square of 4. And in case of magic square of 3, it must be from 1 to 9. How do we understand that? It is very simple. The magic square of 4, 4 square is 16, so the highest value will be 16 starting from 1. And in case of magic square of 3, 3 square is 9, so the highest value will be 9 starting from 1. So this was all about magic square. So in case of magic square of 4, if I just summarize what I have done, swapping the values or reversing the values of the each diagonal, and that's what it needs to be done. Nothing changes anymore. Okay, and the sum becomes 34 row wise, column wise, and diagonal wise. Thank you.